Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this DIY minty lip balm for dry lips. It contains a lot of nourishing ingredients that would help soften and moisturize your lips. In the previous video I shared with you a couple of lip scrub recipes that would work so well before you apply this lip balm. Let's get right into it. So for the ingredients, I've got some beeswax, some coconut oil, some almond oil, I've got some mica powder, and I also added some shea butter off camera. Unfortunately my camera wasn't recording when I added the shea butter. So the mica powder I only used it's about half of a quarter of a teaspoon, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I just went ahead and dissolved all my waxes and my oils, and then I added my mica powder just to give it some color. It looks so pretty, so bronzy. I love shea butter and coconut oil in my lip balms because they really help with moisture. If you struggle to find lip balms that work for you, that don't leave your lips feeling dry, then this is a recipe to give a go. I added a drop of peppermint essential oil. You can always add more. I don't like it too overpowering, but I do like a little bit of a tingle. So yeah, this worked really well, smells delicious, very simple to make. You can easily make it at home. It's just a matter of combining your ingredients, dissolving and pouring into little jars, and you're basically good to go. So yeah, this is basically it. This is what it looked like once I was done. I left it in the jar and allowed it to cool completely, and then it was ready to be used. So here I'm just showing you what it looks like once it's completely cool. I'm going to apply a little bit to my lips just so you see what it looks like. It's very moisturizing, very softening for your lips. It works really well. Yeah, I hope you try it out. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. You can support me further by following me on Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair. I do giveaways on there every now and again, and I'm very frequent in my uploads on there as well. You can further support me by checking out my website. I have a mailing list just down the bottom of the home page that you can subscribe to, and you can also shop on my website. A lot of my products I have for sale on there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care guys. Bye.